Welcome back again. Now we will discuss the physical features of India. Here we have to discuss mainly Himalayan mountains, the northern plain and the peninsular plateau, Great Indian Desert, coastal plains and islands. Anyway, we will discuss one by one. First, the Himalayan mountains. Himalayans are, as the name suggests, it's not a single mountain. That's why we call it Himalayans. Okay, or Himalayas. Himalayas are young fold mountain. I told you it is very young fold mountain which are the loftiest and one of the most rugged mountain barrier in the world. It's very loftiest, means it is made of different stages and just like a very rugged pyramid. It is very hard to reach there. Anyway, Himalayas are 2,400 kilometers long. The total length of Himalaya is 2,400 kilometers and the width is 150 to 400 kilometers. Some of the area it is 150, but other area it extends 400 kilometers. Anyway, it extends from Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh. So Himalayas are the young fold mountain and it is very rugged, very hard mountain barriers of the world. I told you the length is almost 2,400 kilometers and the width is almost 150 to in between 150 and 400 kilometers. Anyway, Himalayans have three parallel ranges. It got three parallel ranges. It is not a single, I told you it is not a single mountain. There are three parallel ranges. We have discussed these three parallel ranges. First one is Greater Himalaya or Himadri. Then the middle Himalaya, that is called Himachal. Then the outer Himalaya, that is called Shivalik. Take a look. There are three lines. Look at here. The first one is the Greater Himalaya. Okay, that is the Greater Himalaya or the Himachal. Then the second mountain, that is called Middle Himalaya or the Himachal. Then the third one is the outer. This is the most outer one, and it's called Outer Himalaya, and it's called also Shivalik. So let me tell you once more. The first one is the Greater Himalaya, that is Himadri. Then after this, middle one, that is called the Middle Himalaya or the Himachal. Then Outer Himalaya, that is the Shivalik. Okay. The Himalayas can also be divided in four sections. According to regionally, it can be divided again into four sections. That is Punjab Himalaya, Kumaon Himalaya, Nepal Himalaya and Assam Himalaya. It can be divided again into, I told you, four sections again. That is Punjab Himalaya, Kumaon Himalaya, Nepal Himalaya and Assam Himalaya. This is all actually a regional name. The main division I told you, that is Greater Himalaya, Middle Himalaya and Outer Himalaya. Beyond this, we can divide regionally into four, that is Punjab Himalaya. Punjab Himalaya lying between the Indus River and Satluj River. Indus River and Satluj River. Kumaon Himalaya lying between Satluj and Kali River. But Nepal Himalaya lying between Kali River and Teesta River. Assam Himalaya is lying between Teesta and Tibang River. Okay, these are the fourth regional divisions of the Himalayas. Once more, Punjab Himalaya, Kumaon Himalaya, Nepal Himalaya and Assam Himalayas are the regional sections of Himalayas. Okay, we are discussing the physical features of India. We discussed only the Himalayas. The remaining features we will discuss in the next class. Okay, thank you everyone. Have a nice day.